Hello everyone, I'm Sanika Mandavkar. Today I'll present my testing project for AI Search Learner Portal. I have created a complete test plan, designed 56 test cases, and discovered 6 critical bugs. Let me walk you through my approach and findings. The project focuses on testing the user registration module of the AI Search Portal. Key functionalities tested are user navigation from home page to registration page, form field validations, name should accept only alphabets, email format and confirm matching, terms and conditions acceptance, OTP verification and dashboard access. I have used manual testing with black box test techniques to ensure comprehensive coverage of all scenarios. I have created a detailed test plan. I have created a detailed test plan with these key components: scope, strategy, test environment, success criteria, etc. In this scope, I have written that testing includes from form validations, navigation flows, mail verification, OTP process, and cross-browser compatibility on the Chrome. Strategy: I have used equivalence partitioning and boundary value analysis to design both positive and negative test scenarios. Coming to test environment. Web-based testing on Windows with Excel for documentation. Success criteria. I have executed all the test cases, achieved minimum 90% pass rate, and identified all critical bugs. This structured plan ensures systematic and thorough testing coverage. Coming to the test case overview. I have designed 56 test cases organized into two categories. 32 positive test cases verify that features work correctly with valid inputs. Welcome page displays properly. Sign up button navigates to registration page. Mandatory fields are marked with red asterisks. Valid names field are marked with red asterisks. Valid names and email are accepted. Successful registration redirected to the OTP page. OTP verification leads to dashboard access, cross-browser functionality. There are 24 negative test cases as well, which ensure the proper error handling. First name with number shows validation error. Special characters are rejected. Invalid email formats are caught. Email and confirm email mismatch is detected, etc. Each test kit includes unique ID, clear step-by-step instructions, specific test data, expected result, priority level, actual result, status, and comments. Everything is organized in Excel sheet with execution tracking columns for efficient management. During the execution, I found some of the bugs which I have documented here. Bug 1: first name except numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is having high severity and should only allow alphabets. Bug 2: special characters like at the rate are accepted in the name fields. It is high severity. Email and confirmation email validation fails. Critical and different emails are allowed for registration. All the bugs with the detailed steps, screenshots as proof, and expected versus actual behavior, severity ratings, everything I have mentioned. These bugs must be fixed before production release as they compromise data integrity and user experience. Coming to the test execution summary. The total test cases are 56, executed test cases 56, passed test cases 50, failed test cases 6, pass rate is 89.3%. Complete test plan document 56 test cases, 6 document bugs, evidence, test execution report. This systematic testing approach identified critical issues early, ensuring better quality before production deployment. The comprehensive test coverage validates core functionality, which uncovering gaps that need developer attention. Thank you for watching.